Hot-blooded job. 600,000 kilometers of Audi A8 ready for renovation. Now the factory is down. Big Brother said he wants to make a comeback. Now the engine is shaking 100 kilometers and a half liters. After preparing, he is driving for 10 years. You will be satisfied with the final result of the result. This machine status is for free. Do you want it? Be caught in friends. The whole car is emptied and prepared more thoroughly. The old rule is to put oil and water. Celebrate we come we. Engine separation. I am out of the warehouse. Engine oil leakage. It was accompanied by severe burning of motor oil. Enter the overhaul room and start operation. This is Audi's most powerful engine. After reading it, you can also open it at home. But you don't care with Emmy. The engine is decomposed. High precision numerical control soup tank arrangement. Start the soup bowl and precisely into the hole. Dial meter measurement data. The grinding steel arm is restored to the original factory for transformation. Soup bowl complete. Engine out of the pot. All the necessary tools are ready. Let's get started. Old drivers, sit tight and support the departure. More focus. I'll mention you tomorrow. Tonight I wish another summer. Someone tell you? She won't eat just in the morning you for the life. The windmill is still there. Engine assembly completed. Engine reloading vehicle. Don't worry, row away. We talking to the Yeah. You don't know. The core of the engine chassis. Retire the Dragon Ball headlights. The light of Horus illuminates the night sky again. Engine speed limit is more than just aging. In order for Big Brother to open for another 10 years. Engine original wire pipe plus high temperature tape. Large area aging cracks on the interior skin. Then change the color, change the mood. Recommend a higher end panda color scheme to Big Brother. This is the effect of wrapping. Softer than the calf skin of the original car. The interior is about to start being reinstalled. Then give it a like. Like before. Big brother boss or something. Many young people in this car. However, the interior requirements are different. Relatively mature. But what about the 90s? Then make him attractive. Our panda color scheme. It means that this set matches this texture. The engine we prepared for this car. Noise is okay. Back to the state of 20,000 to 30,000 kilometers. Because the car is too long. There are also some old trees that have been gnawed off. Reburden. At least the safe part. This A8 took a month to prepare. Factory reset successful. Upgrade from Dragon Ball headlights to Eye of Horus.